Good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. I am here today over on Liverpool Road in Cadishead to show you this fantastic chain-free 3-bedroom and terrace property. So it does come with the bay-fronted spacious lounge. We've got a fitted kitchen diner, conservatory to the rear, 3 fabulous double bedrooms. Fantastic size garden with a garage that does come with off-road parking just behind. There's a fantastic spacious conservatory here. Lovely private garden to the rear. So you've got your decked seating area, the lawn, and then the double garage, which does have access to both the front and the rear. Storage just tucked in behind the fitted kitchen with that stunning range cooker, making a beautiful centrepiece. But as you can see, there's plenty of work surface area alongside fabulous amounts of storage, and there is space for all of your necessary appliances. So continuing back through the lounge to the front and heading up to the first floor, where you will find the 3 double bedrooms and the fitted bathroom. Now the property is coming to the market chain free, ready for somebody to come in, pop their stamp on it and create their perfect home. So you've got the shower over the tub there, the toilet and the hand wash basin, and then on into the 3 fantastic size bedrooms. So this is your second double overlooking the rear garden, and as you can see and appreciate the size of the garden. And then at the front of the property is the master bedroom. Plenty of space in here for a double, king size, or even a super king. And then lastly, in the box room, which again is a fantastic size, is the last double bedroom. Now we are over in Cadishead, as I mentioned, where there are excellent amenities and transport links surrounding ourselves here. Just a stone's throw from the train station and Tesco Superstore. Brilliant routes into Manchester, Salford, and further afield over into Warrington and Liverpool as well. Now the loft is partly boarded. It's a perfect property for first-time buyers or families to come in, add their stamp on things and create their perfect home. So if you're interested in coming along and taking a viewing of this fabulous new property, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.